Hi, I am JT. Welcome to Winterfest Workshop. Today we are going to be making ornaments. Let's get started. When you are making ornaments, you need adult supervision. My mom is going to be helping me today.
To get started, you're going to need 8 clothespins that have the springs in them. That's the style of clothespin that's going to work for this ornament. You will need to take the springs off the clothespins. You can do that by simply twisting, pulling that off, twist it off here. You're going to take apart 8 of them for this project. Once you have the 8 clothespins taken apart, you're going to take 2 pieces and glue them flat side to flat side so that they look like this. You'll have 8 pieces when you are finished. Once you have the 8 pieces glued together, you're going to glue them in the snowflake pattern. Once you're done, it's going to be in this pattern. Now we're going to decorate it. You just need to add your ribbon hanger on. Once you have the hanger on your snowflake, it's ready to be hung on the tree. Now I will of course let JT do the honors, but first I wanted to show you one that was completed earlier so you can see different color options. You can use a different centerpiece to make your snowflake personal for you. Nice job, bud.
Thanks.
High five.
Thank you for watching Winterfest Workshop. See you next time. Follow us on social media. Go to our website to get your Winterfest merch.